it's me, Rosemary Gaming, and today I'm going to be playing with King Tut Jr., my brother, and today we're in Ninja Legends, sorry, and I'm on the list. I got 1.5 billion, and today we're going to try to age up and see if there's new swords and stuff. Okay, we're in. This is me. Okay, we have, we're Ocean. This is our sword. Let's turn our volume up. Okay, here we go. Okay, I don't want to request. Alright, we're gonna go over here. Alright, let's see. Oh, no thank you. Not that strong. Oh, we have to go to the next island. Alright, let's do that. There's these over here. I'm at Space Island. I'm trying to get to Tundra. Hey, King Tut, join!
I'm not going.
Join! You play with me. Okay. Oh, we have to go to the next island. I already bought everything. Let's see if we bought Shadow. That's a lot. Trillions. Okay, let's go all the way down. Oh, we need the next one. Okay. Where are they? Okay, there's one. So we got 11 jumps. Okay, ooh, some coins. I love the money. Ooh, we're getting millions. Okay, let's get up. Ah! King Tut Jr. is playing, and Senior is my dad. King Tut Senior.
Yeah.
Let's get on this tree so we can get higher. Okay, so now we're going to try to get up on this little tiny cloud. Oh, it's really hard. Ah, we just failed. Whew, almost failed. Okay, we're going to get up here. He's playing. Okay, I'm just trying to get up here, bub. I'll meet you down there if I fall, okay? How are we going to get up out of here? Looks like we need to go all the way. Maybe if we try to jump here. Oh, we did. We did it, Bub. We call him Bub for short. We think it's cute. Or Nathan for cutesy. Ah, okay, there we go. Let's see where we have to go. We have to go. Looks like we have to go right here.
I'm not the queen level.
We did. Oh my gosh, we almost fell. Okay, let's collect that carefully. Okay. I'm gonna keep pounding. Okay, it's okay. Calm down. Okay, we're gonna try to get to the tundra. I don't know what that was, but we're gonna try to get up. Oh no, we're not gonna be able to do it. No, we didn't do it. Let's see if we fall right here. Yes, we fell right here. Okay. We still get back up there, right?
Nope.
Let's get right here. So close. He's at the green level. Alright, alright. I need focus, Nathan. Or Bub, I don't know. King Tut. I'll call him King. Please get sending me requests. I don't really have that good pets. Do I? No, do I now? I don't know. Ah, people keep doing it. It's so annoying. Okay. We're gonna get up here now. Okay. We're almost there. It's not that much ahead. It's right there. Ah! This guy keeps requesting me. Okay, we're gonna get up here now. Where'd it go? Wait, where'd it go? Ah! No! Ooh, no! Oh my gosh, are you serious? No, we were so close. Okay, that's gonna be hard now. Okay. I wanted to do that. I just want to be visible. Okay, we're gonna get up here somehow. 3, 2, one. I don't suggest you using all your jumps, because that will happen. And you don't want that to happen. And you don't want to be invisible, for one. Alright, I'm gonna sell. Okay. We have quad. We have a lot.
I won!
He won the duel. He won second place. He did good. Okay. Alright, Nathan. Don't yell. Don't yell. The bubble boss has spawned. Oh, cool. I'm all the way up in space, though.
I'm trying to get the next one.
How do I get up there? Okay. So it looks like we need to jump on that one. Maybe. Yeah, we're just gonna jump on this one. 'Cause I don't think we're gonna need it for that. Okay, we did it. Grab this. Need some money. Okay, Nathan. Okay. Okay. Okay, go over here. Ooh, we did. Ooh, that was a close one. Okay, we're gonna go over here. Once we get to the island, I'll end the video. Let's find over. No, we're disconnected. Oh. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't successful, but I tried. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And turn those notifications on if you like this video and if you want to see more videos. And I guess I'll see you roses next time. Bye!